Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. I have some new stickers and some pet tape for you guys. I'll show you what it looks like. I'm gonna open this off of camera on the back, but we have under the black ship the following leaves: Pet Party, Happy Tales, Sweet Little Santa's Helpers, and Christmas Wishes. So those are the sticker books. And then I have like all of these different sparkling little ornaments and stuff and lights, and not necessarily just for Christmas, but I will show you this as soon as I open. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Everything's open. So what I'm gonna do first is show you these pet tapes. They're kind of amazing. I even grabbed like just an extra notebook that I have, and we're gonna do some swatching because why not, right? Chances of me using this whole pet tape at any time will be insane. So first one is these colorful like lights and light bulbs. They could be ornaments, but they also could be just summer lights. I'm gonna cut it right there for you guys. But yeah, it is quite colorful, and it does have like an iridescent thing to it. I'm just gonna put it on a notebook and show you guys what this looks like. These are so fun. Okay, so these are pre-cut. They are kiss cut, so you don't have to do any cutting, and it is on clear. I'm gonna try to get it off of that pesky, it's like medical tape almost. Okay, so you guys can see this. So this is number one. I have 6 of them. I think there is 8 altogether. This one is yellow and green. By the way, these are from eStarCase. If you guys shop there, you can use Kasha, K-A-S-I-A, for 12% off. I would really appreciate if you did that. I do get a tiny commission out of that, not very much, but every little bit helps. And I love sharing these with you guys. Okay, so this one also, you can use it for any time, practically. You can use it for St. Paddy's Day. You can use it for summer. You can use it for any time when you're making a yellow or green spread, or a full green and yellow spread like for spring. These are just great. And look, all of these are a little iridescent. Okay, the next one I have is this black, gray, and gold, and it's stars and ornaments. So this one is a little bit more Christmas oriented. Excuse me, I'm fighting this cough for like a couple weeks now, and I can't seem to win. So I'll keep fighting the good fight, you guys. Okay, but all of these are kiss cuts, so you just pick it up, take the whole thing off, and done. Look how cute. Okay, I'm gonna cut this piece because I don't want that tape on there, and I don't want to struggle to get it off. So off it goes. But yeah, this is the third one. Look how beautiful. Like, these are they're really beautiful, all of these. The next one that I have very similar is this one. And this one is just like those big back, like outdoor lights for yards and stuff, and for gazebos and stuff. So you can use them anytime. I really was looking forward to this one. Probably one of that and the blue one that I'll show you in a second are probably my favorites, because you can use this for Halloween. You can use this for anything, really. Okay, I'm gonna snap this off because this is the medical tape, but look how beautiful. So again, eStarCase, Kasha for 12% off. I would really appreciate you guys. This is not something that they sponsored or anything. I purchased this all on my own. So this is the blue like Christmassy one. I am planning to use this in January as well. Look how gorgeous. Okay, and last one is these stars, and they're also like, they have a little bit of a hollow in them. So that is the whole kind of sequence that I just cut off. So you'll be able to see the small, the big. They're kind of all over the place. They're really, really adorable. Okay, so like I said, because these are like so, you get to see them on a page. So yeah, take a look. Look how beautiful. So those are the pet tapes. And now we're gonna get into stickers, because who doesn't love stickers? So under the black strip is the first one. It's kind of perfect if you're doing like a pirate Halloween spread or something like that. I think that would be good. These are like, look at her. Oh my gosh. Stunning. So it's a little bit realistic, if you ask me. Like, these are not like cutesy images. This one's like, look, she even has bruises. Yeah, very, very realistic. All of these so far were on clear, and I'm gonna lift them up. They are Kiss Cut, so I hope this helps. Like so, they are see-through and Kiss Cut, and then after this page we go into paper. So these are paper, not see-through at all. I prefer these because I don't have to remove lines. Look how cool this is, like so scary. And then you have all the weapons. I like this one too. Look at the wave. And kind of like scenes. Yeah, very, very cool. Yep. Maps. This is on washi, so it is transparent. But it's not quite paper, and it's not quite clear. So, and then you have washi strips, some of the boxes, and then these are more of like toned down boxes, but you have some anchors. Very cool book. Very different. So that's number one. Then we're gonna go into, actually, let's do the pet party, and then I'll do the fall and then the Christmas, okay? So the pet party is a book that I knew I'm going to, look how this, oh my gosh. So these are clear. These are on clear. They are opaque, so not quite transparent. These are like this, I don't even know what to call it, but like matte clear. So they're not very transparent, but look at these like dolls. They're stunning. And they're little animals. Look at this kitty and this doggy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this one. And the little penguin. Oh my lord. Yeah, the girls are stunning for sure. And you get a whole page of animals. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. All of them. Oh, okay. And then you have Hello April. And you have some cages, some kitties. And then we have like a whole medicine vibe here. So probably a vet. And then look at these florals. Oh my lord. This couldn't make me happier. So up to here, we were on clear. Like that clear matte that I told you about, including those flowers. So even though they're on clear, you probably wouldn't be able to layer much because they are opaque. So let me show you. Like, do you see that? I can stick my finger behind this and it doesn't really show. Maybe like a slight shadow. And then starting here, this is on paper, like so. But look how gorgeous these girls are. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Look at this one. They're literally like dolls. I love it. Look at the bunny. And the dog in the house and the kitty on the pool. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm in love. I'm in love. I am dog obsessed. Look at this. Stunning. And now you have some scenery here, a gazebo, some outside stuff. So you can put like a dog here and make a whole thing. Then you have this really cute washi. Okay. So it is washi strips, super adorable. And then you get a full page of little boxes with animals in them. And then one that's a little bit more muted. And that is it for this one. So it's Pet Party. I am in love with this book, you guys. And then let's go into the falling leaves. So autumn scenery right here. A girl, some sweaters, like very appropriate. I love this. I love this. Really like this. Hello, September. September's over. The season. Okay, so pumpkins. Look at that. Farm scene. Personalized. Okay, style. Beautiful day. So a couple quotes. This is on clear with the same kind of matted look to that. So they are opaque. You cannot see through them. Maple leaf story. Look how beautiful. So this is all one sticker, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is still on clear, and then we get into the washi. Look at the washi strips. Holy moly. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Some other, and then you have checklists made out of washi. That is actually pretty brilliant, okay? These are individual. So are these, and these are like checklist. This is awesome. Now we get into paper. Wow, stunning. Can I just say that? Look at that. Look at the door. Wow. Beautiful. Can't wait to use all of these. Fireplace fire, hot cocoa, autumn wind, little doggy, autumn cabin, a crate, classic beauty, sunflower. Okay, yeah, this is gorgeous. So this is called the falling leaves. We have 2 more to go, and now we're getting into the Christmas. So Santa's Little Helpers. This is a very stunning book. From what I saw, like on the back, I have not flipped through these without you guys, just so you know. Look at these. These are like so cozy. I hate snow. However, I would not imagine Christmas without snow. Look how cute that Christmas tree is. It's just like squiggles. Then we have the Mouse King, a little Candyland thing, some chocolate and treats. So all of these are up to here on a clear mat. Very opaque. Again, you cannot see my fingers through this. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna stick this because this one has images on my nails. So yeah. And then this is washi. So we have Merry Christmas, snowflakes on green and blue, nutcracker, gingerbread, little scenery of Christmas trees, and plaid. Merry Christmas. This is gorgeous. Also on washi. And then we get into the paper now. This is a whole one scene, you guys. Gorgeous, right? Ferris wheel, nutcracker. This is another whole sticker, and so is this. Yeah, this is very, very pretty. Wow, the castle. And then we have some rose bushes. I don't know how that pertains to Christmas, but she's gorgeous. I'll take it. This is so cute with the gifts. Look at the Christmas cabin. Oh my gosh. And then we have some more scenery, and this is not necessarily Christmas, but it is wintry, and I like it. So is this. Look how pretty. I even have a little girl there. And then these are the boxes, and you only get one page of the boxes in here, and that is it. And one more book, and then we're all done. So Christmas wishes, again, on clear, opaque, so not see-through, and it's still the same, like matted clear. Look at all these girls though. These are very realistic. Super cute. Wow. Look at all these scenes. So this cuts right here. And then you have two scenes that are on top of each other. So I will show you. So this sticker comes off the window. And then you have this. You could even take this, put it on top, and make it into kind of like a scene where this is what you're seeing through the window. Then we have trees, and I think that's Big Ben. And then look how pretty this is. And then you have some quotes. Christmas and winter, a symphony of love and cheer echoes in the cold. Happy holidays. Christmas, winter's embrace, Christmas magic, snowflakes dance, joys around. In winter, stillness, Christmas lights glow, brings a warmth and hope. Yeah, that's cute. And then you have more girls. How is she not cold? It's winter. Maybe she's in Florida. Okay. Then we have those cozy sweaters, super cute. Lots of like super cozy scenes, some kitchen baking. And then we have some snowmen, super cute. Look at this, that's gorgeous. Then we have a Christmas table, an all type of armoire, a sofa. Then we have all of these girls yet again in the Santa sleigh. Look how beautiful. Yeah, these are pretty. They're very realistic. And then we have some more washi up here. So these are the strips, and then we have boxes. Christmas boxes and a little bit more colorful boxes. And that is it, my friends. That's all I have for you. Again, these stickers are from eStarCase. Code Kasha for 12% off. And these were the pet tapes that I purchased. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon for another video. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.